By now, you probably have heard about ChatGPT. But is that the only AI tool you know? Today, I will show you 5 different free AIs that you can use. You can make money through these, but I won't go into that much detail in this video. These are free, so don't worry about any paid memberships as well. The first AI that we're going to use today is an AI face generator. And this website's name is thispersondoesnotexist. Now what this website does is basically generates images of persons who actually does not exist. Let us check for ourselves. If you generate these images just by pressing new image, you will get these photos basically. And you can use them however you'd like. These are all fake faces. These persons are not. As you can see, this is evident. For example, he looks kind of strange, but most of the photos seem actually good. And practically that's it for this website. There is a face generator and there's also a full people generator, and it can generate new images of people who does not exist as well. The second AI is Magic Sketchpad. Now if you type Magic Sketchpad in Google, it will take you to the PineGraph website. So you will start with an Elon Musk picture, and what it does is it generates pictures. So I typed here, I want to draw a baby Yoda, and it led me to this picture. Now let's see if we can match, for example, I want to draw Peter Griffin. Let's see if it gives us that. Now this website obviously prioritizes people who pay, but you can also get it for free. So you don't need to pay for anything. Recently there were a lot of apps who were doing these AI pictures and got loads of money for it. Unfortunately for the free plan you only get a couple of photos or 3, but you don't get a lot. Otherwise you will need to go for a paid plan. But if you make an account you can always do this every day. Now the third AI is rather different, and this is the AI Duet. Now basically what this is a keyboard AI, and it responds to you depending on the notes that you play. But first, let's see this video to help us understand better what this AI can do.
This is an experiment called AI Duet. It uses machine learning to let you play a duet with the computer. Making music using code isn't a new thing at all, but machine learning gives us a different way to go about it. So in this experiment, you play a few notes. They go to the neural net, which basically decides, based on those notes and all the examples it's been given, some possible responses.
So now let's try to use this AI Duet. As you can see, it's a fun thing to use, and also if you're an audio composer or you're in the music industry, it will maybe give you some ideas on rhythm as well. This is totally free and you don't need a paid subscription for it. The fourth AI that we're going to be using today is Craiyon. Now this is an AI image generator from text. So basically what you type in here will get you drawings of it. So first here I wrote Dubai and this is what we got. But now let's give it another try. So I don't know why I got this thought of a young Homer Simpson eating donuts, but let's give it a shot. Now, the only thing for this is that the estimated time for each and every drawing is around 1 minute. So unless you want faster results, you're just going to have to wait, but there is a chance for faster results, and obviously you're going to have to pay for it. As you can see, there are several ads on the website, and that is because it is free at the moment. Now we're going to have to wait a little bit. As you can see, there's the timer over here, and once it passes to the 1 minute mark, you will get the generated photo. But let's wait the last 15 seconds. Alright, so it finished before. Now, he's not as young apart from this one because he's a baby over here, but I need it to be a little bit more specific maybe. This doesn't seem too bad, and you can do whatever you'd like with these photos. Last but not least, we have the Talk to Books website. Now this is a Google generated website, and what this does is basically it lets us speak to books. The answer that we're going to get are all sources read from books, but you need to be a little bit specific. So for example, how can I sleep at night? But our topic is how to make money. So let's ask it just that and let's see what answers it is going to give us. Alright, so we got some passages from books. Now, Adulting 101, Personal Finance, Unschooling to University, And basically what this does is give us articles on the topic that we just typed in. So make money on eBay just by selling things that are lying around at home. Good practical advice, and it's all from books. So overall, what do you think about these AI tools? And have you tried any of these that I mentioned today? If so, what have you tried? Leave a comment down below. And also, leave a like and subscribe to help out the channel grow and reach out more people. I'll see you in the next one.